here, Josh. And there they go.
And here we are. Chris Bales is shot up, and he's got a smoke screen coming out.
That's what I was just gonna say. I don't know if that comes stock.
You know, I don't think Roy liked that so much, and they've called it back. Nope.
Nope. We got a waving flag.
And we got a waving flag, and we're off. Garrett Van Oster off to a good lead.
Matt Bales not far behind. Coming into turn 2 and 3.
And here comes Chris Bales in that 62.
They're coming around to 3.
And he's already up to 3rd.
Garrett is making his tracks right there. We got 22 over here, a 22R. We've got that one. Having some issues. That's Matthew Rowe.
Yeah, he's not looking too good there.
Not looking too good. He's got some swerves going on, but he ain't got no speed up. We'll see what happens here. Here comes Garrett again up the main stretch. Matt Bales, we got one in the tire over here on the 10. Who is that? The 10G of Grant Reeves.
That's
There they go. Single file start. Gonna be Garrett Van Oster in the lead there, coming up.
Everybody gets past the cone, just barely, but they did.
You got Matt Bales in second right at the moment. You got the 62 of Chris Bales trying to come around him.
Yeah, the 10G.
10G just making tracks of Grant Reeves. He's really trying to catch up. That 42 of Zane Parham trying to catch up. Up, he spun out into turn 3.
Yeah, he's
turn 4 to a U-turn. Coming back around. Here comes the 5V, going to be in lap traffic at the moment.
Halfway down, halfway to go. We got a battle between second and third place here. 98 of Matt Bales and the 62 of Chris Bales. They've got a battle going on there for that second place position.
Well, they better watch out because Grant Reeves is coming right up on them.
He sure is, and I don't think they know. They don't know he's there. Here he goes. Let's see if he passes on the outside. I don't think so.
Garrett running a great race right now. Lead.
Oh, we got lap traffic.
There we go. Matt Bales.
We got lap traffic here.
Sailing through.
2 to go.
That 3 and 4 is really dusty and slippery.
Here goes the 10G of Grant Reeves up into that third place position.
Really making a move.
Using that lap traffic at to his advantage. White flag is out for Garrett.
And there we go, 1 lap down. That's 5V, that 22R of Matthew Rowe. But you see the 10R making the pass on Matt Bales. Coming up the main stretch. There it is. There's Grant Reeves, Matt Bales, Chris Bales. That's going to be our race. You see that 5V coming back around of Garrett. Checkered flags in hand. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful race there.
42
having some issues down there.
Garrett Van Oster.
Hopefully the 40 a little better this time. Here we go.
Oh, much better, much better.
Much better start. That's going to be that 87 of Nick Arthurton out front right now. 22K is right next to him, Kevin Wasserman.
And here comes the D3 and Dwayne Davis, and then you got Travis Crawford in the 14 coming up.
Coming on the inside out of turn 3.
Coming on
Crawford is making it. Yeah, he is. Holding back the 5X right there, trying to make his move as well. At 87, still in the lead of Nick Arthurton.
Oh, man.
Wasserman in second place at the moment, and the 14 of Travis Crawford now in third. Dwayne Davis falling back a little bit.
And he's back to 5th there.
Trying to get his momentum back. He's trying to get around that 5X of BJ Fronapple. So far we're looking, we've got one in turn 4. Looks like Dwayne Davis and the 5X. Green flag, single file start. 87 of Nick Arthurton in the front. Kevin Wasserman in second there, coming off out of the main stretch. See what they're doing out of turn 2. That 14 of Travis Crawford in third, holding his position, trying to pass Wasserman there. Dwayne Davis and 44 side by side coming into turn 3. Let's see what they do on the main stretch here. Looks like the 44 is going to pull off that lap. That 87 of Nick pulling away from the pack there. The Travis Crawford in the 14 trying to catch up after passing Wasserman. Those are going to be our leaders right now. Give me a Scooby snack.
Looks like we got 2 to go. Nick Arthurton still leading this.
Travis Crawford holding second.
White flag is out for Nick Arthurton. Here comes Travis Crawford, though.
Really looks to me like Wasserman's holding a good, consistent game there, but here's that yellow again.
Oh, man, we got a caution. Nick Arthurton still leading this race.
Travis Crawford in the 14, his car's running really well. He's hanging on the back bumper there of Nick Arthurton.
Sure is.
Kevin Wasserman not leaving the pack. He wants to be up there in the first place position, but he's going to hold third for right now.
White flag is out one more time. Let's see
5X on the inside, 44 swerving around to turn 4.
Let's see if Nick Arthurton here can hold on, or if Travis Crawford has enough to take him.
Here we go, coming out of turn 4.
Here we go, checkered flag.
That's going to be Nick Arthurton.
All right.
Travis Crawford, Kevin Wasserman. That's our first, second, third place.
Yeah, Dwayne Davis finishes in 4th.
Here goes the 44 of Timothy Roberts. All cars running really well tonight.
All right. Hey, Dean, you know what time it is?
I mean, not sure. What time is it?
Sprint car time. Sprint cars.
Oh, I thought it was beer 30.
No.
No, I mean, I don't drink, but, you know. Here we go.